Hello everyone, Jeb from Jeb's Project. Let's see what we have on the bench today. Hello everyone, on the bench today we have a Tenma model 72375. Right now I got it hooked up to my 10 megahertz reference, my GPSDO, that's been running for about a week now, and it's slightly off frequency. It reads 9999967. Well, that's quite a bit off. Let's see, that's 33 off. Yeah, 33 hertz, or yeah, 33 hertz off, which isn't good. Let's see if we can find out what's going on. I have a pretty good idea that's got a weak crystal. So we'll see what we can do about possibly replace the crystal and see if we can't get it back on frequency. All right, let's see what we can do. Okay, here's the the frequency counter out of the case. Well, there's the 10 megahertz crystal, and I noticed something else. Down, I got to be careful. It's plugged in. This capacitor right here, if you notice down on the board, looks like it's been leaking. Oh, sorry for my focus there. So we might want to think about changing that cap as well. But I've got another crystal here, some 10 megahertz crystals. I know it's not a full size, but the housing the clip down that uses that transistor to warm the crystal. So it still should work even with that crystal to set it in there and warm it up. The adjustment on this one here is on the bottom, right? Well, let's see if we can find it in the find it. Oh, right there we are. Right there is the adjustment for the crystal. And it looks like at one time or another that crystal's been replaced before. So it may be that cap, and I don't know what that wire is. So, oh, the wire goes to nothing. The wire's up here, so I can take that rod on out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and replace the crystal and replace the capacitor, and be right back. Alright, it took quite a bit to get that acid off the board, and I still didn't get it all, but it's a lot better than what it was. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start throwing a cap back in it and get the crystal back in it, and then we'll try to adjust it. If it doesn't adjust, we'll have to look into something else. But let's give it a whirl. Be right back. Okay, I figured you've probably seen enough people solder parts in, so yeah, we got our crystal soldered in and our cap soldered in right there and right there. I've seen, and I've cleaned up the board. So let's flip her over here. You can see that the crystal is setting in the bracket. It's still it's still running down the heat pipe. It may take a little bit longer to warm up, but it should, once it's warm, it should stay pretty consistent. The cap is in. You see it's better than what it was for the board cleanliness. Okay, right now we're at 10 up to 838, so we're 839 hertz above. We'll let it warm up and then we'll try to adjust it. So with the magic of YouTube, we'll be right back. Okay, what I had to do is take out this 47 picofarad capacitor, as soon as I get it down here, which is on the other side of the crystal from the adjustment. I dropped in a 2 to 20 picofarad in order to get the thing to even get close to 10 megahertz. I know it's not on right now, but I'm just using that one to adjust it so that I can tell what capacitor I've got to get to put in that circuit. And now I can take and adjust the main trimmer adjust and adjust the frequency with the main trimmer, which isn't going to be easy, but it should, once I get it the proper cap in this section and get the covers on it, get it warmed up, then I can come up through the bottom and do the final adjustment on it. Okay, what I did is I took that cap right there, that bear cap, put it on there in place of the 47 picofarad. It wants 12 picofarad now, so put that in there. That'll be my course adjust. And then once it warms up, and I can adjust it on the fine and underneath where the access hole is for calibration. So we'll put her in the case, let her warm up, I'll do a course adjust on it, and then put the cover back on it, let it warm up good, and then do a fine adjust calibration on it from the bottom with the covers all on it. Alright, be back when the covers are on, and we'll go from there. Right, I let it warm up for a bit and did a course adjust on it, and right now it's reading 10 megahertz exactly off the GPSDO. And we'll take in, let her warm, I'll put the covers on it, button it up, let it warm up, and see if I need to do the fine adjust. If I do, come in from the bottom where it's supposed to be adjusted from, and see if we need to tune it any better than that. Be back. Okay, it's been about an hour. She seems to have been stabilized right around 9.2 hertz high, so let's see if we can adjust it down, get it back to, get it to where it belongs. The adjustments here on the bottom. Let's see if we can. Okay, let's go to 1 second gate time. Oh, I went the wrong way. Okay, got it all zeros. Let's go to 10 second gate time. Give it a minute or two here to calculate. A bit long on each of them. Okay, I went too low. 4/10 of a hertz too low. Okay, let's try to bring it back up. This is doing it. It takes forever. Okay, I've got her on 1 megahertz right now. This is on my waveform generator. Okay, we'll go up to 2 megahertz, 3 megahertz, 4, 5. Now this is on 1 second gate time and on 10 megahertz. So we go. Okay, so we'll take and go up to 21 megahertz. We'll have to switch over to the 120, and we'll take her up to, let's say, 30 megahertz and 30 megahertz. Okay, let me switch over here, and we'll take her up to 60. That's the maximum my waveform generator will do. Okay, now we'll take it off the waveform generator, and put it back on the GPSDO, which is 10 megahertz. Okay, put it back on the GPSDO. She's right at 10 megahertz, and we'll switch it back over to 10 megahertz, and she's still reading 10 megahertz. Switch over to 10-second gate time, and we'll see what it gives us here. It gives us all zeros. So I must have hit it just right, because that's really good. I must have hit her just right. But we got to give her a couple of times to run through the gate time just to be sure. And there she just ran another one. Let it average itself out. But about an hour and a half's warm-up time. Well, maybe an hour and a half's warm-up time. So I'll know that it's got to be running at least an hour before I dare use it for any adjustments. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and catch you in the next one.